Dear student, welcome to this learning through videos. I am R. Gardia from Sarda UGHS and have come to you with a video lessons. And before entering into our main subject, I have come to you with three pictures. So, as you students are very fond of seeing pictures, see these two type of pictures. Here are three men standing in these pictures, and we say a common man to this type of persons having common body shape, and we say this type of persons a persons with thin body. This type of person looks weak in comparison to common size persons. And if we look to the picture third, this type of persons who looks like a giant, whose belly shape is quite bigger than other common persons, this type of persons we call this type of persons a persons with fat body. We call them also fat men. So this type of fat man is the main hero, main character of our today's lesson, a greedy fat old man fast. So our today's lesson is a greedy fat old man fast. So students, there was a greedy fat old man like this. Suppose this was that greedy fat old man, and as we get up early in morning, the greedy fat old man, one day he got up. The greedy fat old man got up at 6 a.m. This greedy fat old man got up at 6 a.m. and after getting up from bed, he brushed his teeth at 6:30 a.m. The greedy fat old man brushed his teeth at 6:30 a.m. and after brushing his teeth, he took tea at 7 a.m. The greedy fat old man took tea at 7 a.m. and after having his tea, the greedy fat old man took breakfast at 8:30 a.m. So student, look carefully. If a specific time is mentioned in hour, minute or second, we put the preposition at 6 a.m., at 6:30, at 7 a.m., at 8:30. So you have to understand that if there is the mentions of a times in minute, hour or in second, we use the preposition at in such type of sentence. Leave that matter. The old man took breakfast at 8:30, and I think you will have eagerness to know what kinds of food the greedy fat old man took. So generally we take 1 cup of tea. Generally in winter we take 1 cup of tea in our breakfast. We drink 1/4 or half liter of milk in morning or in bedtime. We eat 1 or 2 small piece of cakes. We generally eat 1 small pack of biscuits. Yes, but as the man was greedy and very fat, the greedy fat old man took 2 mugs of tea, while generally we take 1 cup of tea. The greedy fat old man took 2 mugs of tea and took 2 liter of milk. You must have known this water bottle contain 1 liters of water, but the greedy fat old man took 2 liter of milk in his breakfast. And when we generally eat 1 small packet of biscuits in our breakfast, generally we common man eat 1 small packet of biscuit in our breakfast, but the greedy fat old man took 3 tin of biscuit. He ate 3 tin of biscuit, and he ate 5 big pieces of cakes. He ate 5 big pieces of cakes. And after having a heavy breakfast, after having so much food, he looked very, very fat. The old man looked very, very fat. After getting so much food in his breakfast, this greedy fat old man walked till he met a thin little boy. And look, the greedy fat old man met a thin little boy on the way. And here is a picture of conversation between greedy fat old man and thin little boy. And when the greedy fat old man met the thin little boy on the way, he has asked many questions to the thin little boy. First, he look carefully. Here I have written the questions line by line. First, he asked, "Have you brushed your teeth? Have you brushed your teeth?" But the thin little boy has not brushed his teeth, so he replied, "No, I have not. No, I have not." Then the greedy fat old man asked, "Do you have enough tea and milk? Do you have, oh little boy, do you have enough tea and milk to drink?" But the little boy has not eaten, has not so enough tea and milk, so he replied, "No, I do not have." Then in third question, the greedy fat old man has asked, "Do you have enough biscuit to eat? Oh little boy, do you have enough biscuit to eat?" But the little boy answered, the thin little boy replied, "No, I do not have. I do not have enough biscuit to eat." Then at last the greedy fat old man asked the fourth question, "Oh little boy, do you have enough cake to eat? Do you have enough cake to eat?" But as the little thin boy have not enough cake to eat, he gently replied, "No, I do not have enough cake to eat." This picture is showing the conversation between the greedy fat old man and the thin little boy. And after the long conversation, at last the thin little boy asked to the greedy fat old man. After answering all the questions of the greedy fat old man, the thin little boy has asked to the greedy fat old man. What did he ask? The thin little boy asked, old man, what makes you so fat? Oh, old man, what makes you so fat? How you look so fat?" The thin little boy asked to the greedy fat old man. And at the time, the greedy fat old man has replied that, "I have taken 2 mugs of tea. I have taken 2 mugs of tea." This is the water container which we call mug. And the greedy fat old man has told, "I have taken 2 liter of milk. 2 liter of milk. I have taken 2 liter of milk." And he also said that, "I have taken 3 tin of biscuit. I have taken 3 tin of biscuit, and I have eaten 5 big pieces of cake." And when the old man had just finished his question, the boy had asked the questions, and the old man has answered what he had eaten to the little boy. And the old man further said, "And if I can catch you, I will eat you up. Oh little boy, if I can catch you, I will eat you up." And saying so, the greedy fat old man caught up the boy. The greedy fat old man caught up the boy and ate him up. And dear student, in order for your better understanding, I have collected various difficult words and I have written the Odia meaning of those words, which will be useful to you, which will be very useful to you if you will read, if you will remember these words. This will help you for your better understanding. Thank you, student. Read the lesson carefully and try to understand. This is a very interesting story of the greedy fat old man for you children. Thank you, student.